We installed a full lifetime roofing system in Temple, Pennsylvania. We installed ice and water shield on the eaves since the original roof did not have any. We installed high-quality GAF Timberline HDZ Shingles in a weatherwood color. Top-tier Exteriors is dedicated to using high-quality materials and providing top-notch workmanship with every job we complete. Call us today for a free inspection on your roof, siding, or gutters.